Nature is undoubtedly one of Georgia's prized features, so being able to describe it is a must. This video will help you learn how to describe Georgia's geographic landforms, from its tall mountains to its vast plains. Up first are some main types of geographic landforms that you'll see. Bari, valley. Gora, hill. Vake, plain. Zghwa, sea. Canyoni, canyon. Medinare, river. Mta, mountain. Kedi, ridge or range. Tapa, lake. Chevi, ravine. Cheoba, gorge. Again for a review. Bari, Gora, Vake, Zghwa, Canyoni, Medinare, Ta, Kedi, Ba, Chevi, Cheoba. Here's a few adjectives to describe nature. Dabali, low. Vitro, narrow. Vrtseli, vast. Lamazi, beautiful or pretty. Magali, tall or high. Tiani, mountainous. Parto, wide. Khma, deep. And again, Dabali, Vitro, Vrtseli, Lamazi, Magali, Tiani, Parto, Khma. And here are a few other nature-related words. Achlos, close. Buneba, nature. Bunebrivi, natural. Geographia, geography. Kre, forest. Shores, far. Khe, tree. Khedi, view. And again, for a review, Achlos, Buneba, Bunebrivi, Geographia, Khe, shores. Khe, Khedi. Let's make some example sentences using these new words along with some vocabulary and grammar from our previous videos. To say the views in Kazbegi are very beautiful, you would say Khedibi Kazbekshi Dzalin Lamazi Aryan. You could also say the views of Kazbegi are very beautiful, which would be Kazbegis Khedibi Dzalin Lamazi Aryan. To say I love the narrow gorges in Svaneti, you would say Vitro Cheobebi Svanetshi Mikwars. Likewise, you could also say Svanatis Vitro Cheobebi Mikwars. Hechit mugzaoroba kachetis tqebshi maintresebs means I'm interested in hiking in the forest of Kacheti. Notice how in all of the sentences that use the possessive form of the noun, which in these examples is the place, goes at the front of the sentence, and the object goes after the noun. This is a standard format which you should follow when making simple sentences in Georgian. For more information about Georgia and the Georgian language, visit our website www.visiting-georgia.com. Thanks for watching.